Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. Come on kids, let's learn the names of the killer. Oh no! Green color. Wow. Oh, brown color. Oh no! Yellow color. Nice color. Black color. Oh no! Blue color. And last one is red color. Wow! Wow! Blue color, black color, white green color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, brown color, green color, light green color, and orange color. So kids, so now you draw numbers. One. Wow. O-N-E, one. Kids, now you draw two. Two. T-W-O, two. Nice color. Red color. Three. T-H-R-W, three. Wow. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Five. Kids, now you draw five and use sprinkler. F-I-V-E, five. Kids, now you draw six. Wow, nice color. Blue color. Six. S-I-X, six. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. And use orange color. Eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Kids, now you draw nine. The numbers of nine. N-I-N-E, nine. Kids, now you draw 10 and use black color. 10. T-E-N, 10. Wow, brown color. And now you draw 11. The numbers of 11. Kids, now you draw 12 and use yellow color. Nice color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now you draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, now you draw 14. The numbers of 14. And again use light pink color. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now you draw 15. Wow, 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now you draw 16. Wow, nice color. Sky blue color. The numbers of 16. Kids, now you draw 17. The numbers of 17. And again use orange color. Nice color. 17. Kids, now you draw 18. The numbers of 18. 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19. Wow. Kids, now you draw 20. The last you draw 20. And here is sprinkler. 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.